Hi guys, my name's Abby, I'm 17 years old and I just bought my van. It's a little bit of a mess at the moment because I'm in the progress of destructing it all to build something completely different because I just like to make things difficult. Let me get this. I'm quite bored. Good morning. I feel like I should just, every time it switches days, just put in a little coffee stop because I do that every morning, so I think it would be a good way to mark that. Just a little spoiler alert, I did not do that. Not even a bit. Like, my recording schedule for this. So last time I updated, I'm pretty sure the kitchen was still in here and the cupboards were still in here, which, as you can probably see from just this angle, is not the case anymore. We had to like cut all the gas lines and get the water disconnected, which a whole kerfuffle. I sat there because we couldn't find an actual tap in the tank at the bottom, so I sat at the sink area just pumping all the water out through the sink, which that was a mission. We're all good now, and I've started taping out some ideas for the interior. I'm not 100% certain on those. I'll put in here what my ideas are at the moment on paper. So I'm looking back at the photo now that I took of this drawing and I'm just realizing how bad it is. Right, basically, there's just the kitchen bench, which is underneath the window. I have a shitty drawing of a sink and a stove thing. Up the back on the right side of the drawing is just my bed idea. I'm really liking the little angled corner. I don't know if it's going to be practical. I want it to be a pull-out bed, so not like a permanent bed. Like it's only like a single size when it's not fully out. And then underneath that side of the bed, it's going to be a shower, toilet hidden under there. So where you can't stand because it's a pop-up, and there's going to be like a little storage box area against that whole wall, which is going to be like bedside table, like closet, that sort of gist. Today we're going to be just cleaning off the walls because they're quite grotty, especially around the windows and stuff. I was also watching this dude make a shower out of Flex Seal. I mean, it worked really well for him. So, I'm actually top the roof now. Don't mind that it looks like I'm wearing pajamas. I basically am, so. Hey guys, so it's been a little while since I've actually been in the van. Holidays has not been as productive as I thought it would be. But I'm back in here today, and my mission today is to get this old, I don't know what it even is, it's like some kind of chalky wood board. It's all falling apart, so I need to get all that out. I'm probably not doing this in the right way. I need to actually step off of it so that I can show you. So I found this thing. It is used for something else, but it has a little thingo. So what I've been doing is just putting that there and then lifting it and seeing where it's being halted. I've gotten 3 screws out so far, but they're all like sunken in. Underneath looks pretty freaking good though. It's a bit dirty obviously, but nothing I can't clean like all the bloody walls in here. A few hours later, half of it's down. Oh wow. Plus a bit of the roof, to be fair. Give myself the credit. Hey guys, I don't know when I last updated you, but The plant is still here, and today I'm going to be cutting out more of the roof. So wish me luck. I don't know if I can get a good camera angle for this, but we'll see. When I failed to record a video explaining what happened, basically, there was like an old light thing that doesn't work anymore bolted to the roof, and I could not get the fabric off the roof out without taking it off. So I asked my mum to come help me take it off, and that's where the next video starts. Getting a close-up of you screwing it back in. I chose a bad time to record, oh no. Edit! Edit this one out! Is it under it? I don't know. But yeah! Finally! So apparently I also forgot to mention that there was a leak we found in the roof. There is no videos about that. So I guess past me didn't think that was very important. Said go in the bucket. Oh, van in bucket. Wow, that's right on the edge of the glass. Really? Yeah. There we go. Once we do this top one. And if not, then that wasn't the problem. Exactly. We just took off something for no reason. Yes! We got the air. Controlling two elements today. Well done. So, a little explanation for why I'm ending it here. We're not allowed to leave our LGAs at the moment, which means I cannot get anything for the van. So we're kind of at a standstill. I also drew up a 3D sort of version of what I'm trying to do. So it's kind of bad, but this is my plant child Teresa. Say hi to Teresa. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope my van turns something like this. Turns out something. I hope my van turns out something like this. Probably not. Look, this will probably be a series of failure, but it's fine. We won't know yet because I'm in lockdown. Yeah, I'll see you whenever lockdown eases a bit. Alrighty, see ya. I'm going there.